Here's the second gourd that I've been working on. It's a little different than the other. Welcome, gourd and squash pumpkin lovers. I'm having fun with this Papier Mâché gourd. This one's a little bit different, and I love the shape. I love that it has three bulbous parts to it, and I did add a flat bottom to it, but you can make them round if you like. And I'm coating it with the liquid starch, as I do with all of my papier-mâché projects. So let's see how it goes, because this is going to be a lumpy-bumpy gourd. Let's keep going. I'm running low on my liquid starch, and this batch is a little bit thick, so I'm going to need to replenish it. But I don't like to waste it, so I'm going to use up the rest. And by the way, this particular gourd was inspired by a real life gourd. Yes, there are bumpy gourds out there, and you may see them in your supermarket or at a farmer's market or vegetable stands along the highway. They are fun to make, and I really enjoy the textures. If you don't make them from scratch like I do, you can work on top of a pre-existing papier-mâché blank and add the bumps to that. This is one of many gourds and squashes that I'll be working on throughout the fall season because I love making these little gourds, squashes, and pumpkins. And of course, they can also be made in larger sizes. I like to reuse my paper scraps, and those scraps that are really small, I turn them into little bumps, and I use them on different things. These are little irregular pieces that I attach around these little shapes. So if you would like to do something different with your pumpkins, turn them into lumpy-bumpy gourds. It's fun. And you can add as few or as many bumps as you like. So let's keep going. If you are new to this channel, welcome, and I hope you like this type of content. And also a warm welcome to all of my friends and subscribers. Thanks so much for being here with me as I work on these lumpy-bumpy gourds and squashes. And I do hope that if you get a chance, you give it a try and then let me know how you do. Now, if anyone has made these before, let me know. I'd be very interested. I'll set it aside for now. And I want to thank you again for being here, and I hope to see you next time.